Welcome to the Grey Atom YouTube channel. Here you'll get everything from a webinar, student diary, Data Science Fridays where your questions are answered. Basically everything that you need to get yourself upskilled in data sciences. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, have a look at the videos, and if you find something interesting, don't forget to like it. Follow us socially and we will be there always serving you the best. Welcome back once again. My name is Mayuresh and I am the co-founder at Grey Atom and I look after the admissions and counseling. Thank you so much for posting all these questions to me, and as part of this web series I take each of these questions and try and answer them. One of the objectives that we have is we try to help people who are in their current streams and job roles pivot their career into data sciences. So thank you so much for all the questions. We have a very interesting question for the day. The question is, can you tell me something about your curriculum? Can you tell me something about the curriculum that you have at Grey Atom? Well, I think let's just start outside in. So we definitely are engaged with the ecosystem. We talk to a lot of people in the industry, and what we understand is we want to essentially build talent which is portable in the industry. So we talk to a lot of people, and this is like all the product companies, services companies, so we somewhere have to find that middle ground and build talent and build people who are essentially portable in these companies. Broadly speaking, what we have discovered is essentially a machine learning operations person. A machine learning operations person is essentially what is extremely portable. So you need to have foundation in big data. You may not be doing big data when you're doing machine learning or when you're completely zoomed into that particular role. Those are two different jobs. You will not be doing both the jobs. You will be doing one particular job. But in this part of the globe, you definitely need to have the breadth. You need to be able to engage with people across. You need to be able to understand that how do I work with data which is in MBs, and you need to be able to understand how do you work with data in TBs, and at the same point be able to wrap the whole thing, build an endpoint out of it and take it to the web. Having this kind of a clarity, what we have done, we have built out the whole curriculum with this kind of a insight. So we essentially start off our curriculum. Python is the language of choice. Why is the Python language of choice? Why not R? I think there is again a dedicated video that you can check out, why R versus Python and why we chose Python. So definitely feel free to have a look at that. Python is a language of choice with us. So we start off with Python. We have the whole mathematical foundation to machine learning, where people are going to start learning the machine learning, and that essentially contributes 50% of the curriculum. A lot of time goes into that. So you really need to have the mathematical bearings and the foundations for that. So we start off with Python, then the mathematical foundations to machine learning. Then we move on to module 2. Module 2 is machine learning. So we start off with absolute basics, right from linear regression, logistic regression, the whole host of techniques that come in between, random forest, XGBoost. So the whole journey we kind of cover over here. So there are a lot of algorithms that we cover over here, and the guiding principle over here is again not to cover large number of algorithms, but the objective is to essentially make sure that we go into the requisite depth with each of the topic that we take up. If you're taking up a topic and just covering it at a hello world level, you're not really going anywhere. I mean, you really need to have the depth in whatever topic that you pick up. A few other topics like time series, natural language processing and recommender systems are also covered in this part of the curriculum. Then we move on to the big data piece. Again, the focus is not to make you a data engineer. The focus is not to focus on engineering aspects of data engineering, but more and more be able to enable machine learning at scale. So we definitely touch upon different components in the Hadoop ecosystem with a very special focus on Spark. So there's a large amount of time that is focused on Spark. So the 20% of the curriculum I would say is definitely big data. Finally, to wrap up the whole curriculum, we have the deployment piece. So you need to be able to work with various clouds. So we focus on AWS, and we are able to take the models that you have developed over the whole program. You should be able to port them out onto the web and create an endpoint out of it, or create an application or a service out of it. So that's the whole objective of having this particular component in the program. As we speak, we are also very actively building up content and curriculum in deep learning. So in time to come, very soon, we will have deep learning very much part of the flagship program. and that is something that is in the pipeline. So given from now and what time you see this particular video, this might actually be already live. So feel free to check out the brochure that we have. So here is the link. You can also go to the website, discover this particular, download the brochure from the website and go through it. If you have any questions, do feel free to come back to us, and we can take it from there. Thank you so much for listening out to me very patiently, and I hope I have answered your question about what the curriculum at Grey Atom is. Thank you.
Awesome! Congratulations! Thank you so much for watching this video end to end. On this particular channel, you will find everything that it takes to upskill you to become a data scientist. We have the 100% proven recipe. Check out the goodies over here, the workshops, the programs, and there's a number right here. Feel free to call me, and I'll be very happy to help you with your journey in upskilling yourself and becoming a data scientist. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon. Just make sure that if you like this particular video, don't forget to like it, and follow us socially. I'll be there helping you out with how to make that transition happen for you.
Log on to Grey Atom's learning platform to unlock more content. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.